Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. People would often ask me, Father, tuwing kailan ang day off mo? O kayong mga pare, tuwing Monday pa rin ba? Before, in my 2 previous parish assignments, I used to take my day off on Mondays. Basta pag Lunes, wala talagang schedule. Sacred talaga ang araw na yun. Really dedicated time for personal things. However, it's not the same when I arrived here in the cathedral. Kasi parang hindi po nauubusan ng schedule dito. Plus, Father Mosky and I are also assigned in our schools. And so pag Lunes at kung wala man kaming schedule dito sa cathedral, nasa school naman kami doing some work and other meetings. And plus, we are also studying right now apart from being a chaplain. Kaya po when there's really a time to get a rest, to take a break and have personal time, I really grab the opportunity to keep me sane. Madami nga pong nagtanong kung nasan daw ako noong aking nagdaang birthday. Wala daw akong celebration and all. Ang totoo po niyan, nag-solitude talaga ako. I slept and rested alone. Masarap kayang mag-alone time din, paminsan-minsan. Dear friends, we heard in the gospel, Jesus saying to His disciples, "Oh, come away by yourselves to a deserted place and rest a while." Kung sa Tagalog siguro, sabi ni Jesus, "Oh, magpakalayo-layo muna kayo. Yung kayo lang, walang ibang tao. Magpahinga kayo at mag-recharge saglit." I'm sure that Jesus knows that His disciples also need to rest after returning from a long stint of missionary work. There is a need to replenish energies, physical, mental, and spiritual. At yung alone time po na iyon must be dedicated for physical rest, mental relaxation, and of course, spiritual connection. Sobrang dali po kasi sa atin na malimutan magpahinga. Kapag tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho, sunod-sunod na gawain, at kabit-kabit ng mga responsibilidad, tendency is we forget our very own selves. Sobrang daling malunod sa agos ng mga nangyayari sa ating buhay. And so we are being reminded by Jesus today that there is nothing wrong, or there is nothing to be ashamed of, or there is nothing to be guilty of with taking a break for a rest. Kasi come to think of it, in the end, we do not just rest for the sake of laziness or uselessness. Sana hindi ganun. We rest because our goal is so that we can serve more, we can do better, and we can be closer to God all the more. And so Jesus reminds us, rest, take a break, breathe, and pray. There is nothing to be ashamed of with taking a rest. Amen.